just keep pulling that out. Very little paint. Trying to keep it as, I can probably put a little bit more there. There we go. Don't forget to share the live if you can, guys. Really appreciate that. There we go. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Thank you so much for these roses, everyone. It's really, really appreciated. Just woken up, but I'm good. How are you? Yeah, good, good. I'm glad you're awake. I'm glad you're awake. I was thinking, I bet Mazzy's asleep. That's what happened last night. I was going to come live and I fell asleep. It's far too late. I woke up at like 5 to 10 and I normally go live at 10. I thought, And I was hungry, so I had to order a pizza. So we're going to go just a little bit of colour. Just sort of, just pull that out. Oh, I went into the blue, that's not good. Some more white. Don't want a lot of colour. Just a little bit. Maybe some radiant sort of light there. There we go. Paper crane. Thank you. Stephen Tarrant just got the #2 gift bag. Thank you much, Stephen. Really appreciate all this. Love it. Thank you. Bob's happy. Brenda's happy. Thank you for the gifts. Okay, using the light brush, I just want to blend this out now. Blend, 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 blend. Just want a night. There we go. Dark towards the edges. That gives us a little backdrop for whatever I want there. Some sky, some clouds, whatever. Just a little bit brighter around this area. Just bring that out. Again, it's similar to the outside, but there will be a moon there in a minute. Those are cute. They are, aren't they? Bob and Brenda. They're both retired. You can go and get some merch if you fancy it on the website. There's lots of stuff there. Hoodies, bum bags, you name it. There's cups, everything. There's just one. There's many different designs. He's always happy. That's what I like about Bob. Always happy. Okay, let's blend this out. Again. There we go. Just a gentle blend. Yeah, that's kind of nice, I think, like that. I wouldn't do too much. Okay. Keep blending. There's all different kinds of blues there, really. Okay, let's just use my finger here and just put a little moon there. Just a little one. Right. If I'm quick enough, I can just. I just want to cut some of that off. It's kind of catching, so I don't know. That's it, that'll do. I don't want a lot of paint there, you see. Just a little. I can brighten that up as well if I wanted. Just very lightly blend that in. So here we go. We're going to make some little mountains here. I mean, look at the size of the knife for the mountains. We're going to go up here. We're going to bring some down. There's another one there, a little peak. And a little one there. I just want to do the top of the mountains. And that's it. We're going to have some more over here. Going off. Maybe that one comes in front of that one. Right, so that's just the outline. So I'll pull them down with the brush. Down here. And here. Just making them little tiny mountains there, look. And here, there's some snow there. And I want them looking like they're coming a little bit towards you, so. And we'll just sort of blend them out a little bit. There's another one there. Right, we'll just blend them out, see what happens. No, no. Very delicate little paint, really. Just some little colour there. Here we go. And we're just going to pull that very lightly. Very lightly. And we can just tap a little bit of that. And that'll give the illusion of a little bit of mist. Well, it's sort of a little valley coming through, basically. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. You see? Just by pulling down little trees that go right across there. More paint. Just literally just pulling down with the fan brush there. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I want to do some more. I want to do some ones in crimson as well. I think that'd be quite nice. So just creating a little bit more mist here as well. Being very gentle over that corner. So you can just sort of see the tops of them trees coming through there. We'll just put the indication of a few little trees that live in front of that. Have that going off there. I just want to pull some snow right across there. And we're going to have a bit there. See, it's already mixing with that colour. I'm just going to pull down here. Literally pull straight down. Something like that. I don't really know where this water's going to lie. Can you see that's turning a slightly greeny blue? Because I've put that different colour there. Okay, now this is where we swipe across and make it into water. Just pull across and that'll give us some water. There. Okay, just a little bit here and there. I just want to put some little bushes that live here. Thing that lives here, something like that. Right, we're going to do a little peninsula here, so just some little things that come across here. Some little bushes. That's just some dark colour going on. Put some snow. Some bits wherever you think it's going to be. There we go. Just by adding them little bits of white, you can make out some little snowy bushes, right? Just a smaller one that lives in there. Tree that lives here. Oh, I love Bob, I think he's wicked.